Hello and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone System walkthrough. Continuing our exploration of the cloud phone system, today we're going to focus on the Do Not Disturb feature. We'll cover how it works, how to set it up, and how it differs from traditional call forwarding. Do Not Disturb, often abbreviated as DND, is a feature that, when activated, sends all incoming calls directly to voicemail. It's the perfect tool for those times when you need to focus without interruptions or when you're simply unavailable to take calls. Let's dive right in. From your cloud phone system dashboard, go to Applications, then Call Forward. Choose the user extension that you want DND to enable. Then, go to Do Not Disturb. Choose Enable. Then Save. We're all done. Do Not Disturb feature is just one of many ways this system offers you the flexibility to manage your calls according to your needs. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll-Free.